I'm gonna walk you through how to create your Betway account, how to deposit money into that account, and basically how to also withdraw that money out of that account. I'm gonna walk you through all those seemingly difficult steps, right? And because you are my peeps and I love you like that, at the end of the video, I'm going to reveal a secret that will change your betting experience. That I promise. So watch till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more content, right? So you go to your Betway website, right? You click on sign up, right? So they'll basically ask for your basic details. This is basic stuff, right? This is your mobile number, your password, your chosen password, right? Then your first name, your surname as it appears on your ID. This is important. Why? Because sometimes when you're dealing with bank transfers, mistakes can cost you, you know what I mean, for security reasons. So they're also gonna go and ask for your email, which is also basic. Then they'll ask if you have a sign-up code. That's when you type in Mahala, right? Then where they ask for your referral code, you just leave it blank like that. Then you go to next, and then you've created your account, right? Now I'm on the Betway site. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna show you how to deposit money into your account. But just before we go there, I'm gonna show you something like real quick. What I did was I created a community for me and you that love betting so much. This is basically a platform where we get to chat and talk about our betting experiences. If you're a beginner, you're new to the game, you've got questions that you might think maybe they're, you know, they don't have so much weight, they're useless questions. In this community, this is where you feel at home. We get to interact, talk about our different experiences. You ask those questions that you think nobody's gonna answer you. People on this community are so dedicated to the craft, to what we do, to betting, you know what I mean? Just head over to deezer.co.za. I'll also leave the link on the description. You join the group Hollywood Bets and Betway users, right? And basically that's it, you're done. Now I'm going ahead, I'm showing you how to deposit your money into your Betway account, right? Pretty simple. You go right there on deposit, click deposit, and then they're gonna show you a pool of options. I'm talking a pool. You can literally scroll down, up and down for all these options that are available for you, right? So there's OTT voucher, one voucher, which is also very popular. Then if you wanna use your credit card, you got your Visa, you got your MasterCard. And if you wanna use banks, you got Ozo. Basically, it also gives you, it also links you up with a platform of banks like other popular banks in SA, right? So there's also MTN, Momo, all those kind of options, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and choose one voucher because that's the one that I normally use. So right there's my voucher, redeem it, basically processing. So this is not complicated at all. You just choose the one depositing method that's best for you, that's more convenient for you, and then basically the rest is history. So as you can see now, my account is loaded. I've got like $100. Going ahead, I'm gonna place my bets. So this is what's up, peeps. Like remember, I told you, like, I'm gonna reveal a secret that's gonna change your betting experience at the end of this video. So better keep tuned till the end. So basically there's this light bulb on your Betway desktop right there. If you click on it, it's gonna show you some statistics about the teams. And then for more betting options, you click right there on more bets. It's gonna, show you a couple of other betting options that are available for you. Then in terms of market, right? Market range, it's wild, it's packed out here. As you can see, we've got live, we've got horse racing, casino games, lucky numbers, which also offers this lotto option that's very popular these days. It's called UK49S. You can check it out. We've also got virtual games. Basically, you can see the market range is just packed. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna go for like the usual. I'm not gonna waste much time here. I'm gonna go with this Tottenham Brighton game. I'm rooting for Tottenham, and I'm gonna select. I'm rooting for a straight win on this game. Come on, it's Tottenham's, right? So let's go for a straight win right there. Go to my bets, So this is where, like, on the right side of my desktop, right? This is where I can adjust my stake, right? So I'm not really willing to put too much in this game. I'm just gonna put 10 Rand, and basically it shows your potential return and everything, the win boost if you have any. So if you're cool with it, like I'm cool with what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and click on bet now, and they will process my betting slip. So there's this thing like people are always asking if I've got like 10 rand, 20 rand, 1,000 rand. If I bet without money, how much do I make? Well, I can tell you right now, it's never given. There's no straight answer for that, right? I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about, right? Check out this Tottenham and Brighton game. If you bet with 100 rand and you say Brighton is gonna win, you stand a chance of winning 600 rand. And if you say Tottenham win, well, it's only 155 rand. So you get what I'm saying here. What I'm talking about the odds. You check. So Brighton is an underdog compared to Tottenham. So that's why it's got a lot of money, because chances of it winning, they're quite low. So it's got a lot of money. Let's say you've got 50 rands. How much do you think you can make? Let me show you. It's never a given. It's all about how you play your game. Check. I'm going to create an accumulator, which is like a ticket with like a lot of teams, right? So I'm going to say here Manchester United and Norwich. I'm going to say Manchester United. Then I'm going to go ahead, Arsenal and Southampton. See, basically, I'm just going to randomly select Liverpool, Man U, go for Man U, right? So then I go to my bet slip, right? So right here on my bet slip, I'm adjusting my stake to 15 rands, right? Sorry, we said we're going to put in 50 rands. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put in our 50 rands. And guess what? Betting on these 4 or 5 teams that I just bet on right now, I stand a chance to win 9,480 something rands out of that 50 rand. So if I win, so there's always that thing of how does so and so win so much money? How does he do it? So this is literally one of the tricks. This is what these guys do. They always bet on the underdogs, and they've got big payouts, so that's when they make the big money. But this strategy is very risky, because if one team of that ticket loses, your ticket is dead, you're out, you've lost, right? Although it gets you a higher chance of making the big bucks, but it's very risky. You know what I mean? Personally, I wouldn't recommend it, but it seems to be working for some people. So it's all about luck in this game sometimes. It's all about, you know, whether your God is favoring you that day or what's up. So I don't know. I've basically shown you how to finesse your way around Betway, right? I mean, we've created the account. I've shown you the different small odds, what they mean. I've also showed you a couple of things here and there on how to work your way around Betway, right? I'm about to reveal the big secret. But before I go there, let me show you the last step, which is to withdraw your money, right? Go right there to the Betway menu, click on it right there. You get a slide like that. Withdraw your funds. That's where you click loading. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna show you a pool of options how you can withdraw your money, right? Send bank transfers type of person, they got that for you. Instant money, one voucher, FNB e-wallet, all those kind of options, they got them for you. I'm about to tell you right now will change your whole betting experience. I can bet on it myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and use the Liverpool and Manchester United game. So if you put 100 rands on Manchester United, you get something like 640 rands back for a straight win. If you put 100 rand on Liverpool, you get 146. Where am I going with this? You check out the odds. Liverpool is in better form, so it's expected to win against Manchester United, right? So Manchester United automatically becomes our underdog in this case, right? Just bet on the usual odds like the straight win, the draw, the BTS. But what if I told you there's an option that's almost like a cheat code? What am I talking about? Let's dive into it and find out, right? I'm talking about the handicaps, right? Handicap 0-1, right? My underdog is Manchester United, right? Like going into the game, I'm already giving Manchester United 1 goal. That's it. Whether the game ends as a draw 0-0, but because I initially had said Manchester United, I'm giving you 1 goal, I win. You get what I'm saying? So it goes on like that. It's the same thing. It's as simple as that. You give your favorite team a goal or even 2 goals. It's allowed. Like you basically give them a goal before the game even begins. Handicap thing works. But for those that want more details on it, I'll make sure I leave a link on the description that further explains all these odds that people are not really tapping into, but I'll focus especially on the handicap because I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on it, and it's a really good way of winning. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button for more content. We're coming live, everything is lit as you can see.